September 29, Friday. Saints Michael, Gabriel and Raphael, Archangels. Be a messenger of God. You are the Son of God. You are the King of Israel. Each of the angels whose feast we celebrate today is God's messenger. Gabriel was God's messenger to Mary, revealing God's choice of her to be the mother of God's Son. In the book of Revelation, Michael and God's messenger in God's battle with the forces of Satan. In the book of Tobit, Raphael is God's messenger of healing to both Tobit and Sarah. Each of these angelic figures in the scriptures brings new life to others, whether in the form of proclaiming the good news of great joy or healing or protecting from evil. They are messengers of the living God who wishes us to have life to the full. In the Gospel reading, Jesus speaks of himself as the Son of Man. He also reveals himself to Nathanael as the one on whom the angels of God are ascending and descending. This refers to Jacob's dream in the book of Genesis. Jacob dreamt of a ladder reaching between heaven and earth, with the angels of God ascending and descending on it. The Gospel reading tells us that Jesus is the meeting point of heaven and earth. Jesus is both of the earth and heaven, fully human and fully divine. The invitation that Philip gave to Nathanael, "Come and see," is also for each one of us as Christians. We are called to be with Christ, to live and work with Him. Pray and practice. Loving Lord, help us to walk with you closely and be a messenger of your kingdom.